Here's step-by-step guide how to delete pages from your PDF project. As you can see, here is my PDF file. I can open it, and as you can see, here's 2 pages. For example, I wanna delete a second page. Close this window, and after that let me open the Safari new window, and you can choose any browser, it doesn't matter. And now I'm gonna paste here link. You can tap on it in the description down below, and after that tap enter. So as you can see, here's big select PDF file button. You can tap on it, and now you should find your PDF file. For example, this one, upload. So as you can see, here's first page and second page, and you can click on it, and as you can see, here's is icon appear, and now you can tap on remove pages. Wait a couple of seconds and after that tap on download button. Or wait a couple of seconds and download will start automatically. Download icon at the very top and tap on this project. And as you can see, here's only 1 page. That's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about PDF.